Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at part 33 from our intermediate flat parts. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back into the program here. So now, as you guys can see, our list of intermediate parts is growing quite a bit. Now in today's video we're going to be looking at part 33. Now this in many ways almost a reverse of part 32, but with a exception that we've got extra values we can set. So from a 3-part shape we're going to go to a 4-part shape now, or 4 options shape. So let's go to flat parts, go to P33, and as you guys can see from the preview here, we now have 4 different values we can set. We've got A, B, C, and a D. So now you could almost reverse the part 32 with this, but that is not quite the purpose of this shape. You can also, if you for instance had to set, let's say, C larger than B, or D larger than A, then you can get some funky looking shapes, which I would recommend you rather keep it within the within this preview kind of layout. Now let's just quickly go through it. So we've got A, so we've got the height. I'm going to set this to about 150, set the B to maybe 300, and then the C and the D we can set separately. So this C got 300, so I'm going to go about half, 150, and then the D, obviously ideally we don't want it larger than A, so let's make this maybe 80. I'll leave the name, let's quickly preview this. Now we can see what type of shape we've got here. Now like I mentioned, if we had to up the values, let's say for C and D larger than A and B, then let's quickly do that. So C go larger than B, which is 300, so let's go about 350, and then let's go D larger than A, which is 150, so make that 200. Just preview this, and as you can see we start getting some interesting shapes. We've got a rectangle and triangle mixed on the top. Now in my opinion you won't ever really need to use that. You'll probably just make a rectangle and a triangle. So I'm just going to set these two down, just go to 250 values, and we leave it at that. Let's go manual quantity 1, add this, and then we've got this shape we can add to our canvas or our cutaway. So like I said, in this one, in my opinion, some of these other shapes you can set the values to extremes and you get 2 different shapes that you could use, like I mentioned with this shape P12. But when it comes to the P33, I would recommend just stay within the safe values or the default values, and then use that shape as is. But that is it on P33. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.